She's in here. She's
Really?
in here.
No way.
Hello everybody. Yes, you still have Chuck Porter's YouTube channel, but it's me today that's going to be doing an episode. This trip, we're actually going to Newfoundland for a moose hunt. I have the lovely area of Taylor's Brook, which is out on the west coast of the Island of Newfoundland. And with that, we're going to be tagging along with Mark Breon, who you've seen in a couple of Chuck's videos, and hoping his wife Crystal will be tagging along with us. So for something a little different, I have taken over Chuck's YouTube channel for this episode. So stay tuned and we'll let you tag along, and hopefully we will have a moose during this trip. Good morning everybody. It is Friday morning, day one of the elusive moose hunting trip. We have Mr. Mark Breon ready to go with us this morning.
This is the day.
It is the morning, hopefully.
Yeah.
And we have Crystal. Hi Crystal.
Hi.
It's our sidekick. So we are off to the great Taylor's Brook management area for this morning.
It's gonna be a beautiful morning this morning.
And yeah, it's already 10 degrees, no wind. Beautiful.
Nice and, yeah.
So
cool.
We will see how it goes.
Not too cold, but
no,
just nice.
Just nice for the moosies to start moving.
Yeah. Wish us luck. Beautiful sunrise this morning.
We now have Mark taking over the camera.
Any
Good
moose?
job.
Seen two already?
We did cow and a calf this morning. We're on to moose. Well, this morning wasn't all that successful, but we did see a cow and a bull. So we're back out now this afternoon, having another look and setting up again for this evening. We found this beautiful turnip patch that one of the farmers told us there was a couple of moose hanging around. So we're gonna go in now and settle down for a little bit and check it out. And hopefully we'll see a couple of bullwinkles. Day two of moose hunt. Yesterday we saw four. We saw a cow and a calf and a bull and a cow, but this morning now we're gonna head out again bright and early. Mark got the setup this morning.
We're gonna get on the whoops.
Morning, Crystal.
Just don't turn on the siren. Take your time.
Still on the hunt for the moose. We came across two more. Now we're just ready to start playing safety and coming down on the edge of the path. We're cut over.
It's a beautiful morning this morning, and the sunrise is incredible. This is the third day.
Day number 3, yeah.
Seen 10 moose so far, I guess 9 different moose, and we had some good sign in this area, so we're gonna give this spot a try this morning, and hopefully we'll be successful. Melanie?
We will.
We will.
Guaranteed.
Guaranteed. Stay tuned. We're positive this morning. It's nice and cool, frosty morning.
A balmy 3 degrees.
3 degrees, yeah. The moose are moving. So I think this is the day, as I've said before. See. Melanie made a good shot.
We got
So we're following a blood trail. Melanie just took a shot. We seen a cow. A nice, beautiful cow. We got a trail here. And Melanie's gonna go in. We're gonna go in and have a look now. Pretty sure she made a awesome shot.
Mark, she's
Yeah.
in here. She's
Really?
in here.
No way.
She is. She's down.
Okay.
Yep.
Wow. Look at that. What a job, Melanie.
Yeah, it's nice, eh?
A beautiful cow.
Yep.
Wow, congratulations. What a shot you made. Man, that was awesome.
Yep.
Went probably 50 feet, 60 feet, I'd say, and just followed that blood trail. Nice lethal kill. Wow. Congrats. Day 3, got her done.
Got it on.
Woo!
Yep. Good job, Mark. Good job.
Yep, not too shabby. Cheers.
Friendly cheers
To,
for this morning.
Awesome morning. Successful hunt.
Bloody hands and everything.
Yep. Pretty hands to prove it.
Good morning, everyone. It's the last day of the full moose hunt. Sunday we brought the moose up to the butcher in Cormac. So I'm on my way today now, picking up the meat, and we're gonna head back up to Labrador. And here we are. Countryside Abattoir. So here I have Scott, Leo. So if you're in the Cormac area, definitely come in and check out the shop. They got quite the setup on the go, and they're absolutely beautiful, clean.
Building's been there for 25 years, and they have 2 additions in the last 3 years, so we're just growing every day. Got a big smoker in there and everything. So.
Smoker.
Yeah.
Nice. So if you're in the Cormac area and you got your moose on the west coast, this is the spot to check out. So it's the last leg of the trip back to Labrador this morning. Beautiful crossing. As you can see the ferries in the background. I'm not a ferry fan, so it's a good thing it's a calm sailing, because if not, these freckles will probably be pretty green by the time I get across the bay. So that's it for this trip. The moose is packed up, moose is done. We are en route back home with moose in the coolers, and we'll check in with Chuck when we get back in. And as Chuck always says, or I'll try to attempt it because it's too hard to do sometimes. Yeah, no, we're not going to try it.
It's actually pretty easy. So until next time, guys, take care of each other, get outside and enjoy everything outdoors. And we'll see you next time.
Guaranteed.
Get outside and enjoy.